Hi all, welcome to Real Etymology series by Alvera Hans. Today we are going to discuss about a very important etymology, the etymology of the word, etymology itself. Isn't it very interesting? The very word etymology has a very interesting etymology. Let's see that. The English word etymology does not have an acceptable root word as provided in the presently available sources. Let's check it out. The online etymology dictionary says etymology noun means late 14th century etymologia, facts of the origin and development of a word from Old French etymologie, modern French etymology, from Latin etymologia, from Greek etymologia, meaning analysis of a word to find its true origin. Properly, study of the true sense of a word, with logia, study of or speaking of logi. Etymon means true sense, neuter of etymos, true, real, actual, related to etios, true, which perhaps is a cognate with Sanskrit word satya, Gothic sanjis, Old English su, meaning true. Actually, going through all this, we find that there is no acceptable basis for the suggested etymology from the Latin word etymologia, from Greek etymologia, which is claimed to have a meaning of analysis of word to find its true origin. Let's take a look at this. The Greek does not have any word relating to etymo that has a meaning of analysis of a word or the meaning of true. This can be checked by the words available in Greek that has an element of the word etymo that has a meaning of true or analysis. There is no such word available in Greek. So this appears to be more a guesswork than a real research. Okay, let's find out the real etymology of etymology as per a research. The real etymology of many English words can be ultimately traced, surprisingly, to Tamil, the oldest surviving language still spoken. It is always probable that any word in any language could have been derived from the first language or the oldest surviving language. That is a most probable source and acceptable source. And there are many words. For example, the etymology of the word navy in English is ultimately derived from the Tamil word navai, means a fleet of ships. That is, the first ship which leads a fleet of ships is called navai in Tamil. That is found as navy in English through Greek and Latin. And the etymology of the word Jesus is also ultimately derived from the Tamil word Yesadavar. Yesadavar in Tamil means sinless. The meaning as well as the sound also tallies. So there are many more words like that. If only you are interested, you can check it out in my other video talks. This word etymology is actually derived from the Tamil word Adi Moolam. Adi Moolam, which means first source. Adi means first. Moolam means source. The ownership of this word in Tamil is strongly supported by the presence of other words with the same element word Adi. Adi means first, prime, and Moolam means source. Related words in available are Adi Moolam itself. Adi Moolam is the name of a god in Tamil Nadu. The first god, it means first god. Adi Bhagavan is God. Adinathan, first head. Mulai means corner. Mulasthanam means corner and altar in a Hindu temple. A strong sound correspondence and similarity between the two words are painted enough to prove this claim. Ati, Adi, Ati, and Et, finally turned into Et. And Moolam, Molagia, and Molaji. Adi Moolam is etymolum and etymology. This is very clearly present and patent enough to accept. And the meaning is also Adi Moolam means first source, which clearly proves that the etymology of the very word etymology itself is from the Tamil word Adi Moolam. Thank you and bye for now.